If your Mercedes C-Class keeps dropping your CarPlay connection, it is usually a software glitch or a cable issue that we can fix in minutes. Statistically, 85% of wired CarPlay failures are caused by worn-out or low-quality charging cables rather than the car itself. Let's walk through the diagnostic steps to find out exactly where your connection is breaking down. Start with these basic resets to clear any temporary communication errors between your iPhone and the Mercedes MBUX system. Software settings like active VPNs or outdated firmware are often overlooked causes for frequent wireless dropouts. Make sure your phone isn't overheating in the center console, as thermal protection will shut down the data link. While wireless adapters are convenient, a direct wired connection is still the most stable way to run CarPlay in a C-Class. As the data shows, simply swapping your cable solves the majority of disconnection issues without needing a trip to the dealer. If problems persist, performing a network settings reset on your iPhone can clear out stubborn handshake errors. Keep a clean MFI certified cable and some compressed air handy to keep your connection points pristine. Remember that the simplest fix is usually the right one, so always verify your hardware before assuming it is a computer failure. Now that your CarPlay is stable, you can get back to the road. Subscribe for more Mercedes troubleshooting guides.